Introducing our air fryer paper liners, the perfect solution for hassle-free cooking. With 125 pieces of high-quality parchment paper, these disposable liners are designed specifically for your air fryer and microwave. Enjoy the convenience of non-stick surfaces that make cleanup a breeze. Plus, our liners are square-shaped and free of bleach, ensuring a safe and healthy cooking experience. Say goodbye to messy baskets and hello to perfectly cooked meals with ease. Upgrade your cooking game today with our air fryer paper liners. Made from raw wood and coated with silicone, these liners are unbleached and free from harmful chemicals like fluorescent agents, BPA, and PFAs. They are waterproof, oil-proof, and non-stick, ensuring easy cleanup. Plus, they can withstand temperatures up to 428 degrees Fahrenheit. Enjoy guilt-free cooking with our safe and reliable parchment liners. No cutting or measuring required. Simply place the liner in your tray or basket, add your food, and you're ready to go. Say goodbye to stubborn stains, grease, and oil. Our liners keep your cooking area clean without affecting the taste of your food. Perfectly compatible with Ninja AF161, AF181, and AF141 models, these liners make cooking a breeze. Enjoy delicious meals without the hassle of cleanup. With its food-grade silicone oil coating and innovative round bowl shape, it effectively protects your air fryer's inner surface from food mess and sticking. Say goodbye to tedious cleaning and hello to effortless meal prep. This is a must-have accessory for your Ninja air fryer, ensuring a clean and enjoyable cooking experience every time. Keep it simple, keep it clean with Vaillant.